Hey guys, plant-based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making my chocolate peanut butter banana oatmeal, a really simple recipe. I hope you can stick around and see exactly how it's made. Hey guys, plant-based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making a really simple chocolate peanut butter banana oatmeal. Now this is a quick way to make a really delicious breakfast, one that I make for Dr. Miller and myself once or twice a week. We normally have oatmeal every morning, and so we'll change it up, but lately we've been on a chocolate peanut butter and banana kick, so I wanted to show you exactly how I make it. First off, I've got some water boiling in the kettle. If you do not have a kettle, you can always get hot water from the sink. If it gets really hot, you can also microwave it if you'd like, but I'm going to be using my kettle. Once that whistles, we'll get started with that. I've also got half of a cup of oats. Now I'm using a 5-grain oat mix. That's a Bob's Red Mill mix, but any oatmeal will work. I like the larger old-fashioned rolled oats, and our kettle is going, so you can hear that. We're smoking there, so I'm going to turn that off, move that to the side for just 1 second. We've also got 2 bananas. We have 1 tablespoon of peanut powder, and that's a defatted peanut powder. We've got 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. We have 1 tablespoon, and you can use half of a tablespoon, whatever you'd like on this, of maple syrup. And then we have 2 bananas. Now, to get started, since our water has boiled and is nice and hot, I'm going to take our oats, and we're just going to put those in our bowl. And then I'm going to take the same amount of water, so I used half a cup here. I'm going to use half a cup of water. And all we're going to do there is just let those soak in. I'll normally just take this and just make sure everything is covered. And one trick that I like to use is actually using a plate to cover it so the oats get nice and hot and soak it up. So let me grab a plate here. Now all we'll do is cover that on top, and we're going to let that sit for roughly around 5 minutes just to get those oats nice and soaked up, and then we'll come back and get the rest of our ingredients in with the oatmeal. We are back. We've let the oatmeal and the hot water sit for roughly around 5 minutes. Now I'm going to pull this plate off, move that up there, and so you can see now we've got the oats that are perfectly cooked, and pop that underneath there. But perfectly cooked, nice and soaked up all that water. So next we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients. So we have our peanut powder, we have our cocoa powder, we've got our maple syrup, and then we have our bananas, which all I like to do here is just go ahead and slice them down the middle, and then just turn them and just give them a good chop. And we'll go ahead and add those in after we mix all of this up. So we're going to stir this all in. Fantastic. And now we're going to add in our banana pieces and get those mixed in. Now this is a serving of 1. Now if you want to make this for multiple people like I do for Dr. Miller and myself, if I'm making it, I will go ahead and use 1 cup of oats and just double everything. That does a great job with it. And then you might notice that you don't have to use as much water. So if a full cup of oats, you might use 3/4 cup of water. And then you can always go ahead, and what I like to do is I don't oversaturate those oats. So I'll cook them, or I'll get enough water so they soak it up, so they soften up a bit. But you can always go ahead and add in a splash of a plant-based milk to this, and it'll turn out absolutely delicious. But for me, I like doing it this way. Doesn't really need any plant-based milk. Dr. Miller likes to splash on there, so I'll put some in there. But really a simple recipe, one that you can make in just a few minutes. I know if you drink tea in the morning, like myself or like Dr. Miller, then you're already gonna have some water on the kettle or some hot water around, so you can just use that, get your oatmeal ready, and a great fiber-filled, whole food plant-based, vegan breakfast that can fill you up, will fill you up, and so you'll be ready to go for the day. If you're not used to it, you might not want to eat until dinner time how much it fills you up, but for most, it will fill you up and get you going for the rest of the day. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe video, but first I'm going to go ahead and give it a try before I give you that little spiel there. Absolutely delicious. This has been one of my new go-tos. Low fat, whole food plant-based, vegan of course, delicious. Great if you're trying to lose weight, great if you're trying to keep it on, and great if you're high active, maybe working out like someone like myself, 5 to 6 days a week. A great meal, one that I really hope you guys go ahead and give a try. If you do go ahead and give it a try, let me know how it goes in the comment section below. If you're on Facebook or YouTube, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. That helps you guys get notified when new recipe videos come out, and it also helps the channel grow, more subscribers, the more people who are able to see this content. So I really hope you guys like this video. And like always, this recipe, my past and future recipes, can all be found at plantbasedgabriel.com. I am Plant-Based Gabriel, thanking you all so very much for watching, and I will hopefully see you very, very soon. I'm gonna have some more.